is an almond tree. If they don't eat the almonds, they use it as a shade tree. Beautiful. So we've stopped at a Catholic church, having a look around, learning a bit about the trees and the fruit, and we're off to the chocolate place, doing a little side trip today. This tree's got very soft leaves.
Virgin, we venerate in this place. The name is Candelaria.
Candelaria.
Yes, but of course in Mexico we have many different virgins and saints.
So stable.
Beautiful, isn't it? There's a volcano. We've arrived at the chocolate place.
You don't have to see machines. Everything about hands. And the second, not chemical, everything natural.
Yeah.
And even after when we take a breakfast, they're gonna be do some demonstration of how do they make a chocolate, and even you can participate also.
Oh, cool.
That's beautiful, that.
The chocolate looks that way. Chocolate beans.
Yes.
Right. Yeah.
Chocolate, cocoa beans.
Really?
See how they made it?
She's eating it.
Yeah.
Están muy contentos de verla.
¿Sí?
Cómo hacen.
Ah, sí, pues lo que estoy viendo.
¿Puede alguno de ellos participar?
Ajá, ahorita lo voy a estar viendo. ¿Te gusta?
Doña Naya, él se llama Chris y él habla español también. Okay,
Así.
you have to get a
moja
little
tantito,
wet
así,
in your
así,
fingers.
I keep messing.
Where are we?
I can't remember the name of the place.
Chocolate place.
Chocolate.
We're having breakfast.
Yeah. Just making some tortillas.
Beautifully
Handmade.
made.
Yeah.
Breakfast has arrived. Wow. I wonder what it is.
Look at this hot chocolate.
My tortilla taste.
Fantastic.
Probably like
The stirrer machine.
She's just made this hot chocolate.
What is tamale?
Okay, tamales is coming from made it from corn. In this one, a special tamal, they have a mix it. You're gonna be see many different things. One, you see egg, have egg, chicken, and the black thing or the dark thing is a mole. Mole, the what is typical in Mexico. And this tree has only like a 5 years old.
This is a 5-year-old tree.
Yeah, the coffee we have in Chiapas is coming from the highlands.
High, colder.
Yeah. All the equipment she using. Wow. Oh, that fireplace she using just for roast the beans.
Okay.
And this is the machine for grinder. Yes.
very high-tech machine.
Yeah.
There we go.
Very.
That little machine or that stone, they come in from the Mayans time. Yeah, the Mayans, they invent that one. And that's the most important. And they call in that one in Spanish, metate. And some fresh fruit.
Yeah.
Because the exercise we want to do it, we want to make it right now is, okay, we want to have one of those to test the flavor. Do not swallow the seed because we don't eat the seed. We need it. We need the seed, right?
Okay.
Just
Very
because.
slimy.
Yes.
Oh.
Push
Si ya se cansó el
So
niño,
one
¿no?
of those.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And when you get it pushed.
So out of each one of those, how many grams or ounces of chocolate?
Ah, that's a good question. Let me ask him too. She knows about that.
Uy, tal vez unas 500, digo yo. ¿Por qué?
Just look at how she's doing.
So we're at a coffee, what are we, coffee factory? Coffee?
No, we're at a chocolate factory.
Chocolate factory, all done by hand. Pretty pretty cool.
What's your opinion about that?
It's sort of slimy, and I bit right through it, so
Wendy
it's
ate the
pretty
whole
bitter.
thing.
That's what I asked. You
There you
know,
go.
right?
There is a chocolate bean.
Cocoa beans.
Cocoa bean.
Cocoa bean.
Yes.
Cocoa bean. Oh, beautiful. Yeah. Lovely.
You put it. ¿Cuántas le pone cuando hace la bebida, doña José?
A 1 litro de leche o de agua 3.
Some people like to drink chocolate with milk.
Yeah.
But what we're drinking today is with water.
What? Water?
Yes.
I thought it was with milk, right?
No, it's a with water.
3 discs to 1 litre.
Esta es la
That's a
máquina.
lot of chocolate.
That one is
Este es el
already
que tiene
prepared with another
canela.
flavor. That one is same than what she using with what we're drinking with cinnamon.
This is the one without sugar,
That was really
which is very bitter.
This one's
And if you
sweet
take
for the
this and
chocolate.
put a bit of sugar with it, it's not bitter anymore.
Or it used to be porous.
But it's
Yeah, now it's full of chocolate.
Yeah.
Here are the symbols from the calendar. This is my birthday. This is Pop.
This is the symbol for my birth month of April in the Mayan calendar, which dates back to 1200 BC, and that's all I know about that. Mac, easy to remember. There could be all sorts of temples and things here.
I think one good thing is he was a serpent or a snake.
Yeah.
It is a face.
Yeah.
They're a snake because they are serpent also. Besides the jaguar.
Sweet, you gotta bite it to open
What
it.
are you eating?
Rambutan.
Show me.
Can I? You gotta bite it and open it?
Just bite it to open it, like an orange. Like you start an orange.
Oh.
Can you demo?
Here we go, you love them, eh?
Squirt it out into my mouth.
Wait, what? Can you open one for me?
Mm-hmm. Just get the unhairy bit.
To trade?
And there you go.
Show me.
Mm.
Where is it? There. That's like, it just looks like a lychee, doesn't it?
I love it when they're in their SUVs going down the road with a man with a machine gun. Where are we? We are at the place here.
And what are we going to see?
Iguanero.
Iguanero.
Yes.
Can see
Iguanero.
iguanas.
Iguanero because you're gonna be seeing iguanas.
Iguanas.
Ah, iguanas.
And other animals.
Yeah,
And other animals.
and ducks. Beautiful, isn't he?
Yeah.
I love watching them dive for fish in big groups.
A few iguanas here.
Wow.
Where's the
Just
big
a
one
couple.
climbing up the tree?
So they're soft.
Are they? Did you
Yeah.
actually touch him?
Yeah, I'll get hold of him.
There's a big guy trying to make his way behind you.
I didn't want it.
No, they like the greenery. It's the turtles that like the pellets, I think. He's not. Is he eating it?
No, just letting him feel me.
Papaya iguana. These come from all in the trees, all over. Amazing.
Chris has just been into the wild and has caught this wild animal. Couple of iguanas.
40,000 outside. Baby ones, they had it 35,000.
That guy runs the show around here.
Yeah, he's the boss.